my beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you something that you can use to replace a soap in case you're actually using a soap that is actually not good for your skin. Okay, when you use a soap that is not good for your skin, you're going to begin to see that your skin is going to get darker than normal and your pores is going to get blocked, and you are not going to be having or even skin tone. Okay, so when you use this at least once in a week or as you would want it, man, it's just going to help you so much to do all that, like clear up the pores, give you even skin like even skin tone, you know, all over, and you know, tone up your skin a little bit, and you are gonna glow. So if you want to know what this comprises, please do continue watching, and also please thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that already. And also don't forget to drop your questions on my website. The link will be down below. Follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. So the first ingredients you're going to be needing for this is going to be pure gram flour. Now gram flour is an almighty ingredient that is so super duper helpful for the skin. It helps so much for hyperpigmentation, and it gets rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, alright guys, so for the pure gram flour, which you can buy this in online or in a shopping center, I don't know if you can find that. We're gonna be taking 1 teaspoon of that. And then we're going to be making use of Fuller's Earth clay powder. You can actually buy this online, guys, because I know some of you guys are going to be asking that. You can buy that also in a shopping center or where they sell herbal stuff. Now pure gram flour is a clay that helps so much to tighten up the skin, and it also helps to remove wrinkles, and it renews your age. It increases the elasticity of your skin, and it helps you glow. Alright, so we're also going to be taking 1 teaspoon of the Fuller's Earth clay powder. And then we're going to be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber contains a lot of water. Now the water in cucumber, which is a cucumber juice, helps so much in tightening up the skin, and it also helps to remove wrinkles, and it is preferably to use for fine lines and pigmentation. So for the cucumber, we're going to be needing just a little size of that. Okay, just for one use, we're going to be taking just a little quantity, and you can either blend this or you create it to extract the juice. But since I'm going to be blending mine, I'm going to be cutting it in cubes. So now to blend this, I'm going to be coming in with my little blender. Pack that into it. Okay, just a little would go a long way. And now cover that up. And the name of my blender is called Platinum. It's actually very small. It's a coffee blender though. And then we blend. Alright, so it's properly blended, and I'm going to be taking out 2 tablespoons will go a long way. And then we're going to also be making use of tomato. Now, tomato contains an ingredient that helps so much to tighten up the skin, removing unwanted hair, and it also helps to leave the skin glowing, and it's reduce the size of a large and open pores, and it also tone up the skin. Okay, for the tomato, I'm gonna be cutting one full tomato into two. Okay, then I'll have to slice it into cubes. And now you can either blend this or you would grate it. Okay, for now I'm not going to be grating, I'm going to be blending. And okay, for the tomato also, I'm going to be needing 1 tablespoon and half. This is half though, so I have to take 3 of this. And now, time to stir, time to stir, time to stir. So I'm going to be stirring this all up. And for this, guys, you can actually use this instead of a soap, okay, to scrub off those dead cells on your face. It's actually not going to be like a scrub, but it's not going to be very foamy. Okay, so here it is, and what you do is to grab this into your hands, okay, just like this. All right, just like that, and then you use that very early in the morning before you even apply anything, and then you use that to wash your face. This will replace soap. Okay, so if you do this just in few days, I mean, you're going to be seeing how your skin is going to be glowing. Your skin is going to respond so well. And it's actually something you can just use your hand. You don't need to use a soap to do this, okay? Target those parts in which you have problems the more. It's actually very friendly, not even harsh at all. So it's something you have to use. There it is. Alright, so after you've scrubbed that, then you can actually wash it off, okay? And you're gonna be seeing a lot of difference. If you do this like in 3 days time, you're going to see that your skin is going to change a whole lot. All right, now you have to wash it off with normal water or warm water. Okay, touch it pretty soft. And I mean, your face is gonna be super duper soft, just like mine is right now. So basically, guys, that is it. Use that as you would want it, okay, because it is natural. All of the ingredients there are very friendly and very effective, so it's going to help you so much in giving you that results that you so desire. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share this video and turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me questions, drop them on my website, the link will be down below, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you tomorrow, and bye guys.